continents provide. Our Earth is a beautiful planet with green and blue patches on it. That's why it's called Blue Planet, because it looks blue from space. Continents are the great random masses on Earth. There are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Do you know that Asia is the largest continent among all the 7 continents? Wow! Mountains are naturalist portions of the Earth with sloping sides. Do you know that there are mountains under the surface of the sea? The formations of land like the mountains, valleys, plateaux, etc. on the surface of the earth are called landforms. Do you know that glaciers are a type of landform? Oceans, seas, and rivers are water bodies on the earth, which occupy more than half of our planet Earth. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. Do you know which is the largest island? It's Greenland. Wow! The water cycle is the journey of water from the land to the sky and back again to the land. Do you know that the longest river on the earth is the river Nile from Africa? Don't keep your water running while you're brushing your teeth. Did you know that life first began on earth in water? The sudden shaking and trembling of the earth's surface is called an earthquake. During earthquakes, buildings collapse and trees get uprooted. Quick fact: the deadliest earthquake in history is in China in the year